Okay, so I have switch on, and you can see here. So you see, it start charging. So it will take about 4 hours to complete the charging, and you can use it for 45 minutes. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The lights. Okay, so for a moment I install this one. Okay, just snap it. Okay, you can see it. I just snap it. Okay. And for this one, so complete one vacuum. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe Harry Ashcott Studios. Thank you. You are with Harry Ashcott Studios. So today I would like to review Kin vacuum cleaner VC9691. Okay, so this is a very cool vacuum because it is a cordless vacuum. Okay, cordless vacuum, which is very powerful power. Okay, so you can see here is the suction is 8 kPa using the metal mesh and HEPA filter. Easy to assemble the unit. Running time approximately 42 minutes, which means the battery can last for 42 minutes in a low speed mode. So it got 3 speed mode, very powerful. So on the front it got a LED power brush for carpet and for the hard floor. Okay, so if you buy this, you got a 1-year warranty. Okay, this is how it looks like. So you can use the small hose, okay, and the longest one. Okay, so cool. So you can see here the specification. Okay, the power is 100 watts, working voltage. Okay, you can see there the battery type is lithium ion, which is very good in capacity. Okay, the filtration is HEPA. This one, you know that how good is it. So the dust container capacity is 0.5 liter. So here, what I said just now, the suction power is the high speed 8 kPa, the middle speed 6 kPa, and it got a low speed 4.5 kPa. This is suitable for the floor or for the carpet. Suggested to use medium speed. Okay, so what's the best is it comes with a wall charger, which is the charger we just drill to wall, and you can hang this vacuum, so no need to be on the floor anymore. So your house will be neat and clean. Okay, so here you can see the gross weight is 4 kg. So the dimension is here. So the color is only white. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Okay, so how it looks like. So we're going to open it. Okay. Okay, what you see here, you got a receipt. This one is manual books. Okay, the manual how to use it. Okay, Okay, so we are going to see one by one. Okay, see here, this maybe I should show to you the vacuum first, because this is the important part. Okay, this is the vacuum. Okay, so this is the vacuum. This is how it looks like. Okay. So here is a one push button, which is the power button, only one, but the speed control, the suction control is here. Okay, so it has low, medium and high. Okay, so you can choose which you like. So here is a battery indicators, so it's easy for you to check whether your vacuum have enough power to continue your works. Okay, so here is the container, the 0.5 liter container. You can open it from here. You can see lock and unlock, so you just twist it and open it. Okay, it's so easy, it's so smooth. Okay, lock. And you also can open from the front. Okay, so here you need to be careful because this plastic is easily to break. Okay, so very careful, slowly and open it. Okay, so you can see it. So you can throw the dust from the front. Okay, from the front opening. So just okay. So this is the main unit, which is so important. Okay, so I put it here. Okay, and what you got is okay, so this is the battery. Okay, the vacuum battery is just this small. Okay, so here the light indicator to show how much the battery inside, how much the capacity. So this battery will be installed here. Okay, in here. It's so easy, you just insert here, and here you got a hinge, then push it. Okay, so already installed. Okay, okay, and the other units is, so here another extension, which is the small extension for you to use in narrow area. Okay, so here just push if you want to use the brush, or you can pull it to use the very narrow hose. Okay, so this one is easy to install, just like this. Okay, so here you got button, just push it, pull it. Okay, if you want to install, just snap it. Okay, so easy. Alright, so the next is this one is most important, the long hose, made of plastic but in silver color. So it's also the same, just snap it. Okay, so I put it here. Okay, so next is the important part, the floor head. Okay, so here you got roller with brush. Okay, so this one will spin when you switch on the vacuum. Okay, so here, and you got the LED lights for the dark area. For example, under your bed. Okay, so this one, okay, the most important, if you don't have this, then you can use your vacuum, the charger. Okay, so this charger is a wall charger, which means it can stick you can stick your vacuum to the wall through this charger. So this charger, you need to drill your wall and hang it. Okay, you are given the wall plug to use, and just punch 2 holes on your wall and stick it on wall. So it's using UK plug, so easy, and with 2 meter wire length. Okay, so here, how you going to stick it? You just simply slide this like this. Okay, so it will hang to the wall. Okay, it will hang to the wall. So here you got the charger head here, so it will charge your battery here. Okay, so this product is truly awesome, truly good. Okay, so for the first use, I want to charge it first, and you can see how the lights of charging looks like. Okay, so open it up. Okay,